all my fitness professional friends and group exercise instructors, a fabulous way that you can accelerate your growth on Instagram is to get involved in the trending challenges. So if you scroll Instagram Reels or TikTok, you'll see plank challenges and leg finisher challenges. Now some of them are really advanced, some of them are really basic, but they're really fun to get involved in, especially if they have a song that's trending, something that people really enjoy, motivates you. People will want to keep playing your reel over and over again. Now, it's important that the challenge fits into a reel, so it's either 15 seconds or 30 seconds, and because it's a challenge, your viewers will have to watch it over and over and over again, so it will get a phenomenal amount of views. And the more views it gets, the more Instagram will push it out into the algorithm, the more people will see your reel. And if you've got a great call to action and a great caption and it's encouraging engagement, this is a great way to grow your Instagram account. So how does this work? So scroll through Instagram Reels until you find a challenge that is suitable for you and your clients. You may look for the hashtag plank challenge or hashtag leg finisher, and you'll find them. They will curated on an explore page, and you'll be able to scroll through them and find the right one for you. When you've found it, you'll be able to save the audio. So click on the audio of that reel and that will be saved into your reel audio library. Then you'll have it. Practice the plank challenge over and over again, or the leg finisher, until you're really happy with it. Then open Reels, save the audio, and you'll be ready to film. As soon as you're ready, click film, and then do and perform the challenge to the best of your ability. Remember to smile and have fun. You can then save it, you can add text, you can add a filter. Craft a really cool caption in your notes with emojis and tag as many of your followers as you can. You want to get as many people who know you looking at the reel, and then they will have a go at the challenge and then re-tag you in. So it's phenomenal for engagement. Upload the caption, add in your tags, and as soon as you have sent that reel and it's showing in the news feed, then add your hashtags in the first caption. So you've got to be really quick. So it would be hashtag plank challenge 2021, hashtag leg finisher, hashtag plank challenges. If it is a plank challenge, then you'll use your hashtag. So you hashtag your name, your business name, your local area, etc. And then push that, see it go out into the news feed. And a top tip, you could also go live on Instagram just after and talk about the plank challenge, and that again is going to attract more people onto your account. The more people that go onto your account, play the reel, and then comment, remember to comment back, again is going to really give the reel as much power as it can, and more people will see it. It's a phenomenal way to grow your account. If you need any ideas, head over to my Instagram. I'm Rachel L. Holmes. Check it out. And every day I post different ideas on my Instagram for fitness professionals and group exercise ideas for your content. So you're being creative, you're being interesting, and you're getting involved in a current challenge. I hope that helps. I hope you'll have a go. Remember to tag me in your challenge. I'll head over and have a look at yours. And here on YouTube, make sure you like and subscribe and click the bell to be notified of whenever I post a new video.